Have you ever wondered about the 7 wonders of the world? Imagine if you could journey to each one not by plane or boat, but through the magic of animation. Picture an animated character, let's call him Wonders, with a backpack full of curiosity and a heart full of adventure. First, Wonders finds himself in the shadow of the Great Wall of China. This ancient structure stretches over 13,000 miles, a testament to the power of human perseverance. Wonders marvels at the wall, feeling the stories of generations under his fingertips. Next, Wonders travels to the mysterious city of Petra in Jordan. The city, carved from rose-colored stone, hides between rugged cliffs. Wonders walks through the narrow passage, feeling the cool stone against his hand, and emerges to see the majestic city revealed in the sunlight. The adventure continues to Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. The statue stands tall over Rio de Janeiro, arms outstretched in a warm embrace. Wonders gazes up at the statue, feeling the peaceful presence of the towering figure. From Brazil, Wonders journeys to the heart of Rome, Italy, to see the Colosseum. The amphitheater, once the site of gladiator battles, now stands as a symbol of Rome's rich history. Wonders explores the ancient ruins, feeling the echoes of the past around him. Next, Wonders finds himself at Chichen Itza in Mexico. The pyramid-like temple was once a hub of Mayan civilization. Wonders climbs the steps, feeling the ancient energy of the place pulse beneath his feet. From Mexico, Wonders travels to the Incan city of Machu Picchu in Peru. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains, the city seems to touch the clouds. Wonders walks through the stone ruins, feeling the quiet whisper of history in the wind. Finally, Wonders arrives at the Taj Mahal in India. The white marble mausoleum glows in the sunlight, a testament to love and loss. Wonders gazes at the beautiful structure, feeling the weight of the stories it holds. Our friend Wonders has journeyed far and wide, seen the marvels of the world, and felt the whispers of history. He stood under the shadow of the Great Wall, walked the streets of Petra, gazed up at Christ the Redeemer, explored the Colosseum, climbed the steps of Chichen Itza, wandered through Machu Picchu, and admired the Taj Mahal. Remember, just like Wonders, you too can journey through the pages of a book, the strokes of a painting, or the frames of an animated video. The world is full of wonders waiting for you to explore.